Darling, you send me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. So today I'm filming a video that I actually needed to film around June. It's now the 28th of October. I'm a little bit behind schedule, but I just thought, because I really want this video to look back on years to come, so I just need to film it right now. So this cardigan is actually the cardigan I wore when I filmed last year. I think it was the end of December last year. I filmed my goals for 2018. So this video was supposed to be like my halfway point to see like where I am right now and have I met those goals and stuff, and I wanted to do another video at the end of the year saying like what have I reached, what I haven't reached, and then a new goals video as well. So I think I'm just gonna combine those two videos into one, and this can be like my halfway point. So I decided I'd wear the exact same cardigan to update you all and to tell you where I am with those goals and stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the video that I filmed last year if you want to kind of like, I'll go more into detail and stuff about my goals and why I wanted them and why I wanted them at certain times. But this video I'm kind of just gonna go into like, have I met them? Will I meet them? Do I see myself meeting them? Yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So in that video I had 4 goals. So I had my fitness goal, which is basic AF. I had my license goal, I had my savings goal, and then I also had, what was my other goal? I'll have to check my notes. I literally just looked at it 2 seconds ago. Oh yeah, and my subscribers goal, how could I forget? So those were my 4 main goals. I didn't want to have like really unrealistic goals. I kind of made them realistic for myself so I wouldn't be disappointed and depressed at the end of the year when you haven't got the bikini body or something. So my goals were all realistic, and I'm going to be telling you in this video, did I make it? Did I not make it? I'm going to first start off by having my first goal. My first goal was my fitness goal. Yeah, my first goal I talked about in that video was my fitness goal. So from my fitness goal, I remember 2 weeks before I filmed the video last year in December, I had just bought a Fitbit. I was working out, my life was good, had a workout routine, and basically I was on a 3-month contract with my work in Primark, and at the end of January they let me go, and then I went to Disneyland in February. So I was eating loads of junk food and stuff and enjoying life, celebrating that I was free from work. And then I went to college for about a month doing a nail course. It only lasted for a month, I didn't like quit after a month, and I was doing nails and stuff. And then in June I got re-employed, and I'm working since then, so it's now the end of October. So from June to October I've been working a lot and doing stuff a lot, and the rest of the time I was just enjoying my time off and enjoying summer. So I was kind of eating, kind of working out, didn't really have a workout routine, it was all over the place. I was sleeping in, I had no routine, I was doing nails whenever I wanted to and stuff. So I feel like I went off the routine, and then I was starting to get back into it in September and stuff, late August, start of September. I was starting to get my bit of routine back, and then my life completely changed. I'm pretty sure you might have seen, if you're new to my channel, welcome, my name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. But if you've seen some of my videos, you kind of know what's been going on. And so I couldn't really work out, I didn't really have the motivation to work out. I was feeling depressed and sad and happy and then depressed, and my emotions were everywhere. So I didn't work out. So now I'm kind of like getting over it. I'm not getting over it, you can't really get over that big step in your life, but like I'm learning to accept it and move on. So I've actually recently just got myself a personal trainer. I know you might be thinking like, why do you need one of those? But it's actually a local boy from my town, and he is an online personal trainer, and he's really cheap because he's just starting his own business. So I'm kind of supporting a local business and also trying to get myself into a routine again. So he does like nutrition plans, he does personalized ones obviously, and then he does personal workout routines. So, and then he like checks in on you all the time as well, which is kind of what I need. I kind of want a little bit of motivation, and because I know of him, because like my town is kind of a small town, I don't want to really like let him down kind of way. So I feel like this might be this might be the key to my success. So I think I'm gonna start getting back into my Fitbit and stuff. I do have a hard time eating planned meals, eating healthy meals all the time, because I work 5 days and I'm at college 3 days, so I never get a day off. I'm always doing something. So I feel like I need to really think about my daily routines and fitting stuff into my day. So instead of waking up and going to work at 3, I need to like think about my day and plan what I'm doing. So wake up earlier to get a workout routine, or have a workout routine before or after college. Excuse me. Or have a workout routine before and after college. And I need to meal prep and make healthier snacks. So I was on that, and then I kind of not. So I feel like I'm 50%, not 50% there, I'm just starting. But I feel like I still believe in myself that I might have it by the end of the year. So that's where that plan is going. My second life goal was to get my license and to be, yeah, basically to finish learning to drive, I think I worded it. So in July, the 24th of July, I actually passed my driving test. So that one is complete, checked off. I'm so happy. It has changed my actual life to have finished and just to have my license. Completely changed my life. I drive to work, I drive to college, which is like an hour away. I come home, I do whatever I want, I have freedom. I don't have a car yet. My third goal was to be saving for a car, or to have saved for a car, aka bought one. I am saving for a car. I could buy one if I took out a loan now. I could like pay half of it and then take a loan out for half of it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to save up as much as possible so I don't have to go near the banks or take a I don't want to take a loan out. Like, I don't want to like feel the commitment of that. I know it's completely reasonable, but I would just rather save 3/4 of it and maybe take out a loan for the last quarter of it. But I think I'm just gonna keep on saving. So yeah, that goal is kind of in check already. I didn't think I would have this much money saved by now, especially since I was unemployed for a lot of the year, for like February, April, March, May. So I was unemployed for about 4 or 5 months. I just kind of focused on YouTube and stuff, so I wasn't really earning much money except for nails, and I did have to buy like nail equipment and stuff, so my outcomes were kind of balancing with my incomes, so I didn't make too much money. I did make a bit, like it was good enough, but like I should have made more, and I would have definitely been able to buy a car by then. But I'm still on that track. I have a lot of money saved, so I would tick off that one, that I completed that one as well, because I'm very proud of myself. And I could, if I like tried really hard, I could really buy a car by the end of the year. But I think because of Christmas and stuff and saving for my next holiday, I think I might wait until maybe April next year or something, hopefully. But yeah, so that's where I'm on with that. I think I'm on track. I think I'm happy with where I am with that one. My fourth goal was YouTube. So I said I wanted to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So it's the 28th. Oh no, I don't, is it the 28th? Yeah, it's the 28th. So it's a Sunday, the 28th of October. So I still have 2 months left and a few days. But I think my subscriber count is on 460 right now. I didn't really try with my YouTube for the last 3 months just because I was working non-stop and at college non-stop, but I am back on it again. I've pre-filmed 4 videos today because I have a few hours in the morning off, it's now 1 o'clock and I'm starting work at 3, so I've pre-filmed 4 videos today, which is good, and I have 2 scheduled already, so yeah, it's good. I'm on track with that, and I will find it easy to meet 500 by the end of the year, so I'm super excited for that because that goal will be ticked off as well. I'm super excited for, I've kind of opened up on YouTube more and told you more about like my actual life, the problems that I go through every day, and over the last week I've gained like 20 subscribers because my videos have been very real and very me. I didn't put makeup on, I just sat in front of a camera and I talked about my experiences, and that has opened up a lot of new people to my life, and I've made such good connections just in the past 2 weeks. And I'm really happy about that because, you know, you can't go around hiding all your problems all the time. You have to have people to go through with them, and you would be surprised how much I related to people because I opened up, and I thought I was like the only one ever, but no, I'm not. So yeah, I'm super happy with my YouTube journey. I think I'm going to be hitting that one as well, which I'm excited about. I'm excited to celebrate it and to be happy and celebrate with all the friends I've made so far, and I never thought I would get here ever. I remember my first 100 subscribers, I hit 100 subscribers and I was like completely like, oh my god, imagine like 100 subscribers in like one room. I was like, how has 100 people like seen my channel and like clicked that button? Like, it completely like mind blows me. But I am so excited for my next adventure, and I think I'm going to do one of these videos having my goals for 2019, and then I'm also going to see, I'm going to finish this little bit off and see have I made them or have I not. But I'm hopeful. I think I've made pretty much all of them, especially 3 out of 4. Maybe the fitness one, like I'm getting there. We'll see if I'm happy with my changes at the end of the year, and we'll see, we'll have like updated personal trainer course. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video. Also, I think it would be very interesting if you left down your goals and have you completed them for this year down below, because I'm very interested to see like what are your goals, or have you completed them, or why they're your goals, because everyone is so different, and I think it would be so interesting to find out.